All right, it's 8 a.m. Saturday morning. It's time to go up to the barn. I'm gonna push out my trusty steed, the old trike, and we're gonna hit the road. Good morning, horsies. I have arrived. All right, now it's time to go get their breakfast out for them. Are you ready for breakfast, Mateo? Yeah, you're ready. Are you gonna eat my hand or the phone? Hey! All right, here we are. We're gonna get their food ready, and the horses love to mess with each other first thing in the morning. Are you guys gonna do it? Oh, little one. All right, better get you your food. Let's go. All right, get the gate open. We'll take their food out and lay it out here. One for Lacey. One for Mateo. There we go. Now let's go get the horses. All right, buddy. Back. Come on. We're ready. What the heck? Why did you poop in your stall? Oh, Lacey. Back, 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 back. There he goes. Come on. Nope. He always has to steal a little something. Come on. So he's got to steal a little something, don't you? Here he goes. Runs right past her. All right, horses are fed. Now it's time to pick up all the manure. Last but not least, I have to clean up Lacey's manure. Let's do it. All right, runs and stalls are all clean. Now it's time to do the beet pulp. Grab their buckets. There we go. Let's go fill them up. All right, beet pulp is done. We'll let it soak the rest of the day, and by the time we come back tonight, it'll be ready to go, and they'll have their little treat. Bye, horsies. Now it's time for me to go have breakfast. All right, here we go. This is the finished product. I got the whole thing taped and mudded as you saw in the time lapse. And now I'm gonna have to come back and put a finish coat over the top of all the tape. And then I can sand it a little bit and spray it with some texture. All right, the ponies just made it out to the pasture. Now they get to have their, I guess you could call it their lunch. They already had breakfast at the barn, so now it's time for them to have a little pasture for lunch. It's like 5 baby deers all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There they go. I've never seen that many baby deers all together.
Good morning from Rainbow and me. Rainbow's having her morning playtime. Let's see if I can get her to jump up here. Can you jump? Can you jump? Good girl. Good girl, Rainbow. You got it. You got it. Is she gonna get it? Alright guys, well, how'd you think I did? I thought I did a pretty good job. I wanted to get this black shelf over here, so that was good. And the shelf is eventually going to go in that corner right there. It's perfect because there's another shelf up there. I do want to paint this room, but first let's get everything moved. So yeah, that white shelf will go in the corner. This will keep some of my business stuff on. I need to organize more into it. Let's see. I still have some more organizing and setup to do. Everything that's for my business is going to go in here. And then the bed, I eventually want to move over there. Maybe going this way with a nightstand right there. So you can kind of look out the window. And John's going to be working on this more today. He's got to sand it down and put another coat on and then sand it one more time. And there's Bear. He's like, what's going on in here? So stay tuned. I'm going to get this all cleaned up. Hi, Bear. Aw, aren't you the sweetest?
I'm falling.
Hey. He's gonna lay down. Yeah, it's a nice spot for you.
Yeah.
So cute. You're such a good boy. Yes, you are. You're such a good boy. I gotta show you something.
Oh, we got it all cleaned out.
Yeah, what do you think?
It's looking, oh, and you got that set up. That's cool.
Yeah.
Nice.
So I'm just getting things kind of set up because we're still working on the other side, but hear me out.
Yeah, and then once we get the wall fixed, we can push this over here, and then we can fix that crack,
Mm-hmm.
and then we can paint. And that crack's
So
not
I have an idea. Behind you, I have 2 shelves. Where'd those shelves go? Oh yeah, 2 shelves like that.
Yeah.
Now, this I think has to go. Your beautiful, John's beautiful painting. We take this down, put the 2 shelves up here for more storage.
Yeah, I can just put them over there or something. I love this.
John got this at the bins, and
I really think it's cool that Bobby painted this all by hand.
Mm-hmm.
If I could find Bobby,
well, what do you guys think? Should Bobby's picture stay or should it go?
I think I love the colors. That's why I like it.
It doesn't really match
I love how it's like
the
a
vibe in here, but
yeah, the frame is a little like, gaudy,
all right, well,
I guess.
we'll see.
I think it fits well with the picture with the black velvet. I don't know, I really liked it.
Well, we'll see.
I just love the colors. I think it's like throw some. I wish these were white. I
John
wish this
John
was white.
says it's looking like a fun house in here.
It's just too many patterns and colors. I just don't like how.
Over more.
I just don't like how it's
And
wood and black.
Yeah.
Well, I can't go up because.
Yeah.
It's like wood, black, white. It's like and that's wood. It's just like crazy.
Alright, well, then
I don't know what we do about it though.
maybe not those shelves.
I wish we had these in white. If these were in white, it would just look like
I
the
might
wall.
need some smaller ones.
How much
for
are
this.
these? To buy?
I don't know. We'll have to look them up.
Because if we get white ones, it would look a lot better.
And maybe a little smaller for this area, I was thinking. Alright.
Well, we'll think about it, yeah. Or I can paint them or something.
Looking good. Getting everything organized. I got this area all cleaned up, and John has plenty of room to do his repairs now. Eliza's helping me with the last bit of her Legos, and I got that set up some with the business on there. But I think we're gonna go take a break and go get our nails done now. Hey, girls' time at the nail salon. Hey, Rosie. Rosie's like, hey, is anybody gonna pay attention to me? Yeah, hi. Hey, girl. She has to check your hand out first before you're allowed to pet. But yeah, we're just waking up here. It's another day on the farm. We got packages to pack, and I gotta clean up the living room. So yeah, come along as we pack our orders and clean up the living room again. So this is all Eliza's stuff. She doesn't need a lot of it, and a lot of it can be organized, so that's what I'm gonna work on. And I got my helper. I got it picked up, but there's still a pile. And some of the stuff is going to go on her shelves, and some of it will go in her closet. But that's not too bad. That's all the rest of her stuff that was pulled out of her bedroom. So, not too bad. All picked up for the day. Alright, so, last time I showed you guys the deck, it was pretty packed. We got most of the business put away in bins in the garage. But now, basically, we just have extra empty bins here. Couple of Halloween decorations that need power packs. That was in Eliza's closet, and that was in the store. That's a bunch of my stuff that I need to go through. So I do need to get these into the house and organize them. And then we want to sell this. It got wet. It's a tub topper. But yeah, put that up for sale. And we're almost done. Go through those bins and it's all picked up. Might as well show you this pile. This all right here is inventory that needs to be pictured and listed. So I've got my work cut out for me. Oh,
It burns through some
okay.
trees, right.
John's gonna need a haircut. We're gonna have to fit in a haircut today, and he's gonna make us some lunch. What you making us?
Grilled cheese, ham, and pineapple. I don't know, what do they call it? We had it that one time.
I don't know. It's like a Hawaiian grilled cheese.
Yeah, it's really good though.
Yeah, we got it at Pig and Pancake once.
Yeah, pig and pan.
So yeah. Thanks, John. He makes the best grilled cheese.